Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darrell Addison. I'm an owner and founder of a growing concept called Torpedopot. These are self-growing planters. All you do is turn the knob in the middle and it grows your plants for you. You don't have to grow your plants anymore. I wanted to let you guys see the different types of insects that are constantly flying around my cucumber plants. We have 9 cucumber planters that are growing, we believe, about over 200 cucumbers. And it does it automatically. It doesn't require any human intervention. It does it all by itself. And the life that it builds inside the planter is just so amazing. It's all natural, purely organic. These torpedo pots that you see right here, they grow my food with no human intervention. I don't have to grow my food anymore. And look at the job that it does. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. That's my first little cutie right there. You see them? That's what they look like. So we're looking at about 20 per vine. Then we should be getting an awful lot of cucumbers, hundreds of cucumbers. This is what we're looking for. This is what we're growing. Darrell Addison, Torpedopot.com. And we've got a lot of them. So a lot more to grow, or a lot more to go. And they're absolutely beautiful. This is what we want. So we don't see many falling flowers that are being non-pollinated. We're seeing a lot of pollination taking place. And we're really excited about that because that is, we believe, is absolutely stunning. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So yeah, my planters are ready to grow cucumbers. Lots and lots of cucumbers. Oh, I love this. I love this. I love this. So our goal was to grow 200 cucumbers just to be on the safe side. But in actuality, I think we can grow probably close to, I don't know, 400 cucumbers in 20 feet. Let's say we aim for that, okay? Let's push it to the limit to get as maximized growth as we want out of these planters. And that's what we're aiming for. All right, so it looks like they're taking off. It looks like they're doing fine. And they're producing, which is really cool. And it looks like we'll get a good yield this year, which I'm really, really satisfied with. And that's what they look like. Those are the cuties. Those are the cucumbers that you're looking at. Isn't that beautiful? That's the cuties. And there's going to be so many of them. Oh my gosh, I love these cuties. Darrell Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darrell Addison, Torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys. Oh, look at you. You want to get a picture too? I love my insects. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.